How was the experience attending this event?
It's really exciting kasi syempre, ang siguro natutunan ko growing up, di ba? Or growing older, you have to find new ways to live your best life. And I think one of the best things is to be around people who are as excited like you, as excited as you about something. So that's the way to live life, di ba? You na-excite ka, you look forward to so many things. That's being alive for me. So I love that we are all here. Anne has been my fellow K-drama fan for a long time. So just going back to kung ano yung mga napanood namin in the past and that same energy and excitement is kind of healing. Yung meron kang, di ba, that one friend na kasundo mo sa certain things, sa kalokohan or sa school work or sa pagiging fan ko. So it's also nice na batchmate ko siya